Hey everyone, are you scratching your head wondering why you're losing subscribers on your YouTube channel? Trust me, you're definitely not alone in this boat. Today, I've got something really special for you. We're gonna dig deep, and I mean really deep, into YouTube analytics. We'll figure out why those subs are hitting the road and how you can, plug that leak. So, you'll want to stick around till the end. This stuff could totally flip the script for your channel. Alright, so let's kick things off with the whole shebang about YouTube analytics. Seriously guys, this tool is like the Swiss Army knife for YouTubers. First things first, you've got this thing called subscriber churn rate. Imagine you have, let's say, 100 subscribers and 10 of them leave. That's a 10% churn rate, and that's not so cool, right? Next up, we've got audience retention rate. Picture this. You upload a 10-minute video but folks are clicking off after just 2 minutes. That's what we call bad audience retention. And then there's this thing called click-through rate, or CTR for short. It's basically how many people see your thumbnail and actually click to watch. You really want to keep an eye on these numbers, because they're like the vital signs of your channel. So now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Why are people actually hitting that dreaded unsubscribe button? First off, if your channel is filled with ads or a ton of sponsored content, people might just get annoyed and peace out. Second reason could be low audience retention. Imagine someone starts watching your video and then they're like, nah, this isn't for me, and they bounce. That's a red flag, guys. And thirdly, what if you suddenly switch your channel's focus? Like, if you were all about tech reviews and suddenly you're posting cooking videos, well, don't be surprised if people start unsubscribing. Alrighty, so how does this translate into the metrics we talked about earlier? Well, when it comes to click-through rate or CTR, let's say it's low. Like, really low. This probably means your thumbnails or titles need a makeover. They're not juicy enough to get people clicking, you see? And if your audience retention is in the dumps, it basically means your videos need a sprinkle of excitement. Maybe they're dragging in the middle, or perhaps the intro isn't catchy enough. So you're probably wondering, okay, how do I fix all this? Well, here's the game plan. Cut down on those ads or sponsored segments if they're turning people off. Like, if every other minute you're pitching a product, maybe it's time to chill a bit. Next, if you notice that certain videos or even an entire series is getting low audience retention, think about spicing things up. Throw in some polls, some fun graphics, or even some jokes. Make it fun, guys. And hey, let's not forget about engagement. YouTube analytics can actually tell you what's a hit and what's a miss with your crowd. You can find out which videos your audience loves and then make more of that good stuff. And you know what else? Don't just stick to YouTube. Hop on over to social media, strike up some conversations, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find out why some folks are thinking about unsubscribing. So there you have it, my friends. YouTube analytics isn't just a bunch of boring numbers. It's the roadmap to improving your channel. Dive into that data, look at your churn rates, your click-throughs, your audience retention, and then tweak your channel accordingly. 'Cause let's face it, we all want to grow, right? Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you guys. Have you been losing subscribers? What kind of tricks have you tried to turn things around? Drop a comment down below. And hey, if you found this video even a little bit helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks a bunch for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.